интеллектуальную игру Акыл-батл.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are very glad to see you today. Let me introduce ourselves. This is Ilyas. My name is Liana, and today we are going to have a very interesting intellectual game called Akıl-batl. In English, we can say Battle of the Minds. Don't worry, we shouldn't fight to each other here. It is just a joke, just a name of this game, Battle of the Minds.
Для этого нужно придумать название команд, и вот как раз команды мы сейчас как раз запишем.
At first, we would like to suggest you to prepare names to your teams. We don't want to call you team number 1, team number 2. So please write down names to your teams to the sheets.
Be creative, guys, okay?
Brainbusters.
Oh, name team.
Right there. Age versus звезда. Звезда. Okay. Звезда. Beautiful mom. Звезда. So what's the name?
Уважаемые гости, у нас есть команда под названием «Звезда». Вторая команда у нас называется
The Roses and One Thorn. We got a thorn in your side.
Розы и один шип.
Окей.
The game consists of 4 parts. Oh, sorry, 3 parts. No, 3. We will ask you some questions about our country, about our republic, and of course about our town. And if you give the right answer, we will get you some points. And today our jury is consisted of 3 wonderful women. So their names, you know, Irina, Diana, and Aya.
И сразу предлагаю познакомиться с составами команд.
We would like to know about you. So please tell us your names, where are you from?
Favorite sport.
So introduce yourself, guys.
So yes, let's start with stars.
Stars.
Okay, well, I'm Vicki Gardner, and I am from a city about an hour south of Chicago, Illinois. And I work at a community college there. Favorite sport's gotta be football. American football.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm Antoinette Countryman, and I work also just outside of Chicago, and I teach writing and in a community college there. And my favorite sport's definitely baseball.
Chicago Bulls. Michael Jordan. Sporty people.
We like that. Yes, thank you. So,
My name is Michael Passer. I'm from Grand Rapids, Michigan. If I had to pick a favorite sport, I would have to say American football.
American football.
thank you, very good.
And I'm Marty Fay. I work for Foothill College, which is in the Silicon Valley, in the Bay Area, Northern California. And my favorite sport, which I didn't really do much, but I did for a long time, was real soccer. The one you use your feet, not the American use your hands.
Real soccer. Get out of here.
Soccer, yeah.
Европейский футбол.
Окей.
Thank
Ну.
you.
Поаплодируем.
Okay, so our next team is the Rose and One
Thorn.
Thor. Sorry.
Oh, my name is Cedric Harris, and I work at a community college in Pennsylvania. I am the vice president there. I work with a lot of students. And I'm originally from Michigan, and if I would say my favorite sport, it would definitely be basketball.
Good, thank you.
I am Sandra King, and I live in Indianapolis, Indiana. I'm from the state of Tennessee, and sports, American football, specifically college, and I'm a Chicago Cubs fan, baseball.
My name is Chris Passer. I work at Southwestern Michigan College and Community College. I'm originally from Detroit. My favorite sport is hockey.
Окей.
What team do you like best?
Detroit Red Wings.
Red Wings, красный город Детройта.
Павел Дацук, Russian.
Yes.
Thank
Russian
you.
player.
I'm Kim Andrews-Bainham. I'm from Battle Creek, Michigan. I work at Kellogg Community College. So Kellogg's, Tony Tiger, that's where Tony Tiger's from, so everybody knows that. My favorite sport, I love to watch gymnastics. Especially now. When I was little, I watched Naughty Ponies.
Если вы когда-нибудь пробовали хлопья кукурузные, да? Вот Kellogg's, как раз компания, которая находится в городе Battle Creek.
Cereal.
Окей.
We would like to suggest you to listen our director of museum Alif-Ba. This museum called Alif-Ba. So this.
Добрый вечер, уважаемые гости. Очень рады мы вас приветствовать здесь и видеть на нашем вот таком уникальном музее. Это единственный в мире музей, посвященный татарскому учебнику Алифбе. То есть мы называем наш музей музей буквалистики и азбучного искусства.
Хорошо. Welcome, guys. It's the first and only and unique museum of the first ABC book in Tatar language and the name Alif-Ba.
Музей наш посвящается авторам учебника Алифбы, Вагизову Салиху Ататовичу и его супруге Рамзие Гелязовне, наши ветераны труда, которые более 40 лет проработали в нашем педколледже.
The main focus of the museum, not only the ABC books, but also creators of the textbook Alif-Ba, Vagizov, and his spouse and partner in writing the textbook.
Валитова,
Рамзия.
40 лет проработали в колледже.
40 лет. They were actually faculty members for 40 years in the Arsk Pedagogical College.
У нас, повторяю, уникальный, богатый музей. Музей располагает большим количеством букварей. Более 400 букварей на 62 языках.
The museum is very proud of their collection. They have about 400 different ABC books in 62 languages.
Музей дает большую панораму появления татарского языка, его развития.
And again, because it's a first Tatar language ABC books, also museum is tracing down the development of the Tatar language.
Татарские дети учились раньше на арабском языке, учились читать, писать на арабском языке, а в 19 веке перешли на татарский язык. То есть ученые, просветители в 19 веке они создали татарские учебники, первые татарские учебники.
Before 19th century, all the Tatar studying was done in Arabic. So people wrote and read and communicate in Arabic. However, 19th century, Tatars become the language. So actually is used in writing and professional writing and in creative writing.
Это в 19 веке переход на татарский язык. Дальше у нас есть вот экспозиции, школьные экспозиции советского периода. Потом дети татар стали обучаться на основе латинской графики. 11 лет.
So as you see on some of the displays, the transition from Arabic into Tatar and using of the Latin alphabet for the Tatar language for 11 years.
В настоящее время татарская графика основана на кириллице, за исключением 6 отличных от татарской графики букв.
However, in present times, Tatar language is written in Cyrillic, which is like Russian language, but we have 60 additional configurations, letters that are not included in Russian alphabet. 60. So 60 different sounds.
Заострите внимание, хочу просто...
33.
Заострите внимание, хочу, потому что 11 лет на основе латинской графики. 11 лет, это надо же.